Welcome all. Myself Krupesh Nayak. Welcome you all in ICT Eco for You YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribe this channel, and for new viewers, request to subscribe this channel and get notification of education. From this channel you can view so many educational videos in past and in future also you will. So I am heartily thankful to all viewers. Now today's video we can go with standard 12 economics. March 2020 exam is there coming up in 2 to 3 days. So chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are already uploaded in my YouTube channel. So this is chapter 8, 9 video for this. Section C, D, E for 2, 3 and 5 marks. Important questions are there. Keep in mind that very important that it is only for practice paper. Don't believe and don't predict that it may be in exam. So in ગુજરાતી ખાસ નોંધ, આ પ્રશ્નો પ્રેક્ટિસ માટે છે, તેનું અર્થઘટન એવું નહીં કરવું કે આ જ પ્રશ્નો પરીક્ષામાં આવશે. So let's start our journey for the chapter 8 and 9. Some important questions are there. Chapter 8, 9 subject economics, section C, D, E for 2, 3 and 5 marks. Now in this section C for 2 marks. Question number 1, why is India known as agriculture oriented economy? Second, failure of agriculture sector is failure of industry. Section explain. Explain the role of agriculture to improve life standard of people. Here in second question, failure of agriculture sector is failure of industries. Explain. Don't in section section D or E like it is for section 2 for 2 marks. So as per the demand of questions you have to give the answer. Explain the role of agriculture to improve life standard of people. How does agriculture exports help India? Fifth, what is agriculture productivity? State the main factors responsible for low productivity in India. Sixth, how is poor technology affecting agricultural productivity? Seventh, discuss green revolution is an important aspect of modern agriculture. 8. What steps has government taken to tackle the problem of pesticides in India? 9th, define trade, domestic trade and foreign trade. 10th, why is it important to know the size, competition and direction of countries' foreign trade? 11th, what is unbalanced balance of payments? State its types. 12th, what do you mean by factors that affects balance of payments and list the factors? 13. Given an understanding of balance of trade. 14th. Why is agriculture called backbones of Indian economy? Very important. 15th. What are the reasons which made international trade necessary? 16th. Differentiate between balance of trade and balance of payments. 17th. Give the meaning of domestic and inland or international trade. Now section C is completed here. Now for section D for 3 marks. Number 1, explain any 3 reasons for international trade. Second, explain crop rotation. Third, explain any 3 institutional measures to increase agricultural productivity in India. Fourth, what are the causes behind low agriculture productivity in India? And fifth, write a short notes on direction of foreign trade of India. So 3 marks question over here for section D. Now last one is section E for 5 marks. Explain the measures to the increase agricultural productivity in India. Second, write a note on exchange rate. In this question you have to give the example of it, you have to give its definition, then elaborate it. What are the plus or minus in exchange rate, what are the effect on foreign currency, these all are you have to write. Slightly new for that, it may be in section C or section D, but if you have been asking section you have to write in such way. Third, explain any 5 nature of international trade. Fourth, explain any 3 reasons for low productivity of agriculture in India. Here mention any 3, but there is a 5 marks question in section E, so elaborate very deeply. ઓકે, આપ સૌનો ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર. માહિતી બોર્ડના વિદ્યાર્થીઓ સુધી મોકલી સેવા યજ્ઞમાં આહુતિ આપો. બસ આ જ રીતે સહકાર આપતા રહો, જોતા રહો. ચેપ્ટર 10 અને 11નો વિડીયો હવે પછી ટૂંક સમયમાં જ રિલીઝ થશે, જેથી કરીને 1 થી 11 ચેપ્ટરોના જે અગત્યના પ્રશ્ન લાગે છે, જે બોર્ડમાં પૂછાવાની શક્યતા એવા લાગે છે, પરંતુ બોર્ડમાં પૂછાય જ શકે એવી આપણે અહીંથી પ્રિડિક્શન કરીશું નહીં. આ માત્ર પ્રેક્ટિસ પ્રશ્નપત્ર છે કે જે આપ સર્વને હેલ્પફુલ થશે. અસ્તુ.